Ready? Start. This Indian Historical Records Commission, which supervises and guides the activities of the archives of India and the management of Indian government records, is a consultative and advisory body, but the vast majority of members of this body are drawn from sources other than the Government of India. The present constitution of the Indian Historical Records Commission is the Minister of Education, the Secretary of the Education Ministry, the Director of Archives, and 5 members nominated by the Government of India. In addition to that, there are 25 representatives of the 25 state governments of this country. There are 27 representatives of the 27 universities of India. There are 12 representatives of the 12 top ranking research institutions of this country. Actually, government servants, if we can call them, are only 3: the Minister of Education, the Secretary of the Education Ministry, and the Director of Archives. 5 members are nominated by government. The rest are drawn from other sources. This is the body, sir, that has been appointed under the resolution of the Government of India to give expert advice for the management of these matters. Sir, this body has got 2 other adjuncts: the Research and Publication Committee, which looks after the research and publications of the Indian Archives, and the Local Records Subcommittee, which looks after the transference of records from their parent bodies, that is, their creative agencies, the different ministries of the Government of India, to the archives. Then this body, the Local Records Body Subcommittee, also looks after indexing and cataloging of the records, and thirdly, weeding of the records also. So, what I am laboring to impress upon the honorable members of this house is that in every step, every activity of the Indian Archives, the Government of India is guided by some expert bodies. Sir, the Indian Historical Records Commission meets once in every year, and they survey, scrutinize, and examine in great detail the activities of the archives of India. Perhaps the ground they have covered during the last few years, the subjects upon which they have made recommendations, were conceived this honorable house about the interest that is taken by this body. Sir, the Indian Historical Records Commission have advised the Government of India during the last few years about matters relating to the Regional Survey Committee, establishment of record offices in India, classification of historical documents and inspection of records, preservation of archives. These are only a few of the many aspects of the activities of the Indian Historical Records Commission during the last few years. Sir, I do not want to say that all the recommendations that have been made by the Indian Historical Records Commission have been implemented by the Government of India, but what I do say, sir, is that wearing a few which could not be implemented either on financial grounds or for other reasons. Stop.